What's up everybody? It's your boy Arthur back with another video, and this time we're talking about travel. I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on you. 5 must-have travel essentials that'll take your adventures to the next level. We're talking about those game-changing items that'll make you say, why didn't I think of that? Are you ready to travel smarter and avoid those post-trip regrets? We've all had that moment after a trip when we think, why didn't I buy that? Or how did I forget to pack this? Today I'm sharing 5 must-have items to bring and buy while traveling, the essentials that will make your journey smoother, more enjoyable, and totally regret-free. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. I've got tons of tips and hacks to make your adventures more fun, so you don't want to miss out. Alright guys, let's kick things off with the ultimate travel essential, the portable charger. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just heading out for a weekend getaway, this little gadget is something you absolutely can't afford to leave behind. In today's world, our phones are more than just devices. There are cameras, our maps, our translators, and our connection to friends and family back home. I'm telling you, this little guy is an absolute lifesaver, especially when you're on the go. Airports, train stations, long bus rides, no matter where you are, a portable charger means you never have to worry about your phone dying at the worst possible moment. Imagine this. You're out exploring a new city, snapping epic photos for the gram, using Google Maps to navigate those confusing side streets, and bam, your phone battery decides to call it quits. Suddenly you can't access your hotel reservation, your translation app, or even call a cab. It's a nightmare scenario for any traveler. Don't let a dead battery ruin your adventures. That's where the portable charger swoops in to save the day. Just plug in, power up, and get right back to making memories, capturing moments, and staying connected. Trust me, you don't want to be that person frantically searching for an outlet while everyone else is having a blast. Outlets can be hard to find, especially in busy tourist spots or remote locations, and you don't want to waste precious time hunting one down. Now, when it comes to portable chargers, I'm all about that high-capacity life. Not all chargers are created equal, so it's worth investing in one that can handle your needs, especially if you use your phone for photos, videos, and navigation all day long. I'm talking about those beasts that can juice up your phone multiple times without breaking a sweat. Some of these power banks can even charge your tablet, headphones, or camera all at the same time. It's like having your own personal power station in your pocket. Look for a charger with at least 10,000 mAh. That's enough power to keep you going for days. If you're traveling with friends or family, consider getting one with even more capacity so everyone can stay charged up and happy. And hey, while we're at it, let's talk about bonus points. Some portable chargers come with extra features that make life even easier, like built-in flashlights, digital displays showing battery percentage, or even solar panels for emergency charging when you're off the grid. Some chargers come with built-in cords, so you don't have to fumble around with extra cables. That means less clutter in your bag, and one less thing to forget at your hotel room. And if you're feeling extra fancy, check out the ones with wireless charging pads. Just plop your phone down, and boom, instant power. No more tangled wires, no more hassle, just simple, effortless charging wherever you are. So before you head out on your next adventure, make sure a portable charger is at the very top of your packing list. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Alright Globetrotters, let's talk about one of the most underrated travel essentials, the travel adapter. It's your ticket to staying powered up and connected no matter where your adventures take you. Whether you're heading to the bustling streets of Tokyo, the romantic avenues of Paris, or the sun-soaked beaches of Rio, you'll need a way to keep your devices juiced up and ready for action. We're talking about those magical little devices that let you plug in your electronics in different countries with different outlet types. Each country seems to have its own unique plug shape and voltage, and without the right adapter, your gadgets are basically useless. Picture this. You've just landed in a foreign country, jet-lagged but buzzing with excitement to explore. You reach for your phone charger, ready to document every moment, but wait, the outlet looks completely different. Suddenly your plans to upload photos, navigate maps, or call home are on hold. Don't panic, my friend, because that's where the trusty travel adapter comes in. It's the unsung hero of every traveler's toolkit, saving you from the frustration of dead batteries and missed opportunities. A universal travel adapter is like having a passport for your electronics. It's designed to be compatible with outlets all over the world so you can charge your devices without a worry in the world. No more hunting for the right plug, or asking the hotel front desk for help. Now here's a pro tip. Look for an adapter with multiple USB ports. This way you can charge several devices at once, which is a lifesaver if you're traveling with friends or carrying multiple gadgets. That way, you can charge your phone, camera, headphones, smartwatch, and even your e-reader, all at the same time. No more fighting over outlets in your hotel room or airport lounge. And hey, if you want to be extra cautious, grab one with surge protection. Power surges can happen unexpectedly, especially in older buildings or during storms, and surge protection will keep your precious electronics safe from getting fried. There are tons of options out there, so take a moment to compare features. Some adapters even come with built-in fuses or handy carrying cases, making them even more travel-friendly. And remember, before you jet off on your adventure, do a quick Google search to check the outlet types in your destination country. It takes just a minute, but it'll save you a whole lot of hassle and disappointment later on. With the right travel adapter in your bag, the world truly is your outlet, so go out there and stay connected wherever you roam. Alright, sunseekers and adventure lovers, let's talk about everyone's favorite travel companion, sunscreen. Now I know what you're thinking. Sunscreen? That's boring. But trust me on this one, guys. Protecting your skin from those harmful UV rays is crucial, no matter where you are in the world. Whether you're lounging on a tropical beach, hiking through snow-capped mountains, or exploring a bustling city, the sun's rays can still reach you. And let's be real, nobody wants to come back from their trip looking like a lobster, right? Now when it comes to sunscreen, I'm all about that travel-sized life. Look for those handy little bottles that can easily slip into your backpack or purse. And here's a fun fact. UV rays can still affect you even on cloudy days, so make it a habit to apply sunscreen every morning, no matter the weather. Think of it as your invisible shield against premature aging, sunburns, and all that not-so-fun stuff. Your skin will thank you later. Alright, fellow travelers, let's talk about souvenirs, those tangible reminders of the incredible experiences you've had on your trip. Whether it's your first journey abroad or your 10th adventure, bringing home a souvenir is like capturing a little piece of the world in your hands. These keepsakes are more than just objects, they're time capsules holding the sights, sounds, and emotions of your travels. Now I'm not talking about those generic, mass-produced trinkets that you find in every tourist trap. You know the ones. Keychains, magnets, and shot glasses that look the same no matter where you go. They might be easy to grab at the airport, but they rarely hold any real meaning or connection to the place you visited. I'm talking about those unique, locally made treasures that tell a story and bring back floods of memories. These are the items crafted with care and passion, often reflecting the culture, traditions, and artistry of the region. When you choose something handmade, you're not just buying a souvenir, you're taking home a piece of someone's heritage. Imagine this. You're strolling through a bustling market, the air filled with exotic scents and the sounds of vendors hawking their wares. The colors are vibrant, the energy is infectious, and every corner offers something new to discover. It's in these lively places that the most memorable souvenirs are often found. You stumble upon a stall filled with intricate handcrafted jewelry, each piece more beautiful than the last. Maybe it's a necklace made from local stones or a bracelet woven with traditional patterns. Each item is unique, and you can feel the love and skill that went into making it. You strike up a conversation with the artisan, an elderly woman with kind eyes and a warm smile, and she tells you the story behind her craft, passed down through generations of her family. She shares how each design has a special meaning, and suddenly that piece of jewelry becomes more than just an accessory. It becomes a symbol of connection and tradition. That, my friends, is the magic of a truly special souvenir. It's not just about what you buy, but the memories and stories that come with it. Every time you look at that item, you'll remember the people you met and the moments you shared. It's not just an object, it's a connection to the culture, the people, and the memories you've made along the way. These souvenirs become cherished reminders of your journey, sparking nostalgia and joy every time you see them back home. So, ditch those generic keychains and shot glasses and seek out those one-of-a-kind treasures that will transport you back to your adventure long after you've returned home. Take the time to explore local markets, talk to artisans, and find something that truly resonates with you. Support local artisans, hear their stories, and bring home a piece of the world that you can cherish forever. Your souvenir will be more than just a decoration. It will be a living memory, a reminder of the connections you made and the adventures you experienced. Alright, packing pros and organization enthusiasts, let's talk about the game changer of the travel world, packing cubes. These bad boys are the key to keeping your luggage organized, maximizing space, and avoiding those dreaded suitcase explosions. Imagine this. You've just arrived at your hotel after a long flight, exhausted but eager to freshen up and explore. You unzip your suitcase expecting the usual jumbled mess of clothes and toiletries, but wait. Everything is neatly organized in its own little compartment. That's the power of packing cubes, my friends. They transform your suitcase from a chaotic black hole into a structured haven of organization. No more digging through piles of clothes to find that one sock or rummaging for your toothbrush at the bottom of your bag. Packing cubes keep everything separated, compressed, and easily accessible. And hey, if you want to take your packing game to the next level, check out compression cubes. These magical little things compress your clothes even further, creating even more space in your luggage. It's like packing a whole extra outfit without actually packing anything extra. And there you have it. 5 must-have items to bring and buy while traveling. Portable charger, travel adapter, sunscreen, local souvenirs, and packing cubes. These essentials ensure you'll have everything you need for an enjoyable and hassle-free trip. Remember guys, traveling is all about embracing the unknown, creating unforgettable memories, and returning home with a heart full of joy, and maybe a slightly lighter wallet. So, pack your bags, grab your essentials, and get ready for your next adventure. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your travel buddies. And remember, hit that subscribe button below for more travel hacks, tips, and guides. Until next time, travel smarter and make every moment count.